In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can clone your Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Yeah, you can use multiple accounts on this single phone. To do that, you need to go to setting first and swipe down until you guys find privacy tab over here. Tap there and then go to XClone. From here, you wanted to select the recommended apps, and in try more you have TikTok as well. You can create a dual space just like that, or the multiple account. Now it is ready. Let's do for Instagram as well, even TikTok. Well, now go back to home screen and try to find the TikTok clone just like this one. It will have like this square shaped icon. You can see on Instagram, same thing here. This is a clone. You can open this up. Now you can log in your separate account that you guys wanted to work with Messenger as well, but I haven't installed Messenger here, I believe. Yeah, it will work on Messenger as well. This is how you guys can clone the application. Not a lot of application that you guys can clone using like parallel space. This is given by the XClone, which is by XOS from Infinix. This application, the XClone, is built into Infinix itself. That's why this is like safest and alternative method of parallel space. Yeah, if you don't want it to, just disable this and it will delete or uninstall the application just like that. You guys are good to go. This is how you guys can clone recommended apps on your Infinix Hot Pro. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.